Hey there everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel, iTech Explore. If you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to keep you updated if I upload a new video. So today, I'm going to share with you the background remover that I mentioned in my last video, inserting and editing images or graphics in Canva. So now, let's get started. You can just simply type in here, remove background. There are a lot of background removers that will show here, but others are paid version. Right here, we have here this logo, a yellow logo here. Remove that BG. Now click this one, or you can visit to www.remove.bg right here and hit enter. Just click this one, and now this is the interface of remove BG. So right here we have remove image background 100% automatically and free, completely free. Alright, so how are we going to remove the background of our images? So we can opt to upload an image or drop a file. If we opt to upload image, just this is the ones that I usually do, upload image, and then it will redirect to our local device. So just find your photos right here, whether which folder you've saved, click your photo and then open. Okay, that's it. We will choose another photo to illustrate another feature it has here. Background. We can change the background of our photo. Yeah, we have a lot of choices in the backgrounds. It depends upon your preference, the design that you like. So there's a lot of choices you can choose here. If you want to have it plain color, we can click in color and change it. All right, next one. Okay, we'll use this photo to illustrate the erase and restore. So if you click this one, you'll have here the tool erase and restore. So if you click the restore, it brings back the background. Now if we'll click erase, the background will be again removed. Now, if you look at here, it's not completely clean. So there is a part here which should not appear in our finished photo. We need to erase it. We'll use the magic brush, adjust the size according to the size you want, and then just hold the left mouse button and brush it here. Just don't release until you're finished brushing, and be careful. Release if you're done. Alright, so this will be all good. Below that is the effects. If you want just to blur the background. If you open that, the background will be back and you can apply the blur amount. But we don't want that one, so just bring it back. Alright, next one, you can create design using Canva. If you click this, this will redirect to Canva. So create your Canva design with that picture. So yeah, it opens up the Canva. All right, so your picture is already here. You can really edit your photo using the tools in Canva. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you get an idea on how to remove the background of your photo for free. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!